Well, welcome back, my friends. Today I want to share with you why a home inspection is one of the most important steps in buying a home and why you should never skip it. I have to go over this with all my buyers, but I'm just letting it out there that something you need to think about. All right, if you're thinking about skipping a home inspection just to save a few $100, it might cost you thousands or even a peace of mind. So let's talk about why every buyer needs to have a home inspection. So, what is a home inspection? A home inspection is a professional, unbiased assessment of the home's condition. It's your chance to discover issues that aren't really visible during a typical showing. A licensed inspector goes through the property from top to bottom, checking the roof, the foundation, the plumbing, electrical, the HVAC, the appliances, and so much more. So, here's why you really need to have a home inspection. To uncover hidden issues, some problems aren't visible, like I said before. A cracked foundation, old wiring, plumbing leaks, or roof damage can go unnoticed until it's really too late. Negotiation power. If your inspection finds issues, you can ask the seller to repair them or to adjust the price. It gives you a little bit of leverage. So number 3, planning for future costs. So even if you still want the home and you're buying it as is, that knowing what you have in repairs that are coming, you can budget those properly. Number 4, avoid major expenses. Imagine moving into a new home and discovering it has a $10,000 roof replacement. You didn't plan for it, and a few $100s for an inspection can save you thousands. Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. All right, what can happen if you skip it? Now, like I said, I advise all my clients not to skip it no matter what. Skipping a home inspection can be risky. Here's just a few nightmares buyers face without one. What if there's water damage or mold hidden in the walls? What if there's foundation cracks leading to a structural failure? What if there's some dangerous, outdated electrical wiring that's a fire hazard? Or plumbing leaks causing the rot and expense of repairs? Roof leaks that damage ceilings and walls. And what about those sneaky little pest infestations that you had no idea about? You could move in and think you found your dream home only to face massive repair bills later. Or much worse, a home that you are not comfortable living in. Think about that for a second. As a seller, if you should get an offer and in the offer states that they're going to forego having a home inspection, you need to contact your realtor ASAP and ask them to make sure that the buyer is willing to sign a form stating that they are waiving the home inspection and you will not be held liable for any issues found the minute after the closing. It's just much better to have the buyers do a home inspection and waive any repair remedies so that everyone is aware of these items up front and there's nothing hidden. By the way, even brand new homes benefit from inspections. Builders can make mistakes. Not everybody's perfect. An inspector can catch those things before you close. So it's always good if you're doing a new build to have a home inspection. So if you're buying a home, don't skip this critical step. It's about protecting your investment, your budget, and your peace of mind. And if you're ready to start your new home search and have questions about inspections, appraisals, or anything else, loans, types of loans, call me, inbox me, Facebook me, anything. Just reach out. I am always here and happy to help. And don't forget, we're always in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.